Hello everyone, this is Priyadarshini Patnaik, helping the ICSE students by giving an overview of the entire drama The Merchant of Venice. The drama or the play begins with the exposition, whereby we find the protagonist of the drama, Antonio. As the title of the drama The Merchant of Venice implies, he is in a very melancholic mood and he doesn't know what is the cause of his own melancholy. He tells this to his friends. His friends suggest different reasons for his melancholy. Still, Antonio is unable to come out of his melancholy. Thereafter, we see that his closest and beloved friend, Bassanio, arrives to his place and tells him about his own love affair with Portia and asks help to go to Belmont and get Portia's hand in marriage. Antonio tries every way to help his friend. He says all his ventures overseas are at overseas and he doesn't know when will he get profit of his transactions. That is why he says to use his own name as a credit in the market of Venice. In the second part of the drama, we are introduced to a character called Portia. Portia is little upset for her late father's wish, who really wants Portia to get married with a person who would choose the right casket containing Portia's portrait. Portia feels that she is derived from her own will or right to marry or choose to a husband. In the third part of the drama, we see in the lottery of the casket, various wooers from the different directions of the world come to woo Portia, but Portia doesn't like any of them. Nerissa even tries to help Portia out of her problem. In the third part of the drama, we are introduced to the villain of the drama, Shylock, who is a Jew. Shylock and Antonio's main cause of enmity is religious antagonism, because Shylock is a Jew and Antonio is a Christian. Both of them are often found abusing each other because of this. But now, since his own beloved friend is in trouble, Antonio goes to even his enemy for some help. And he lends 3,000 ducats as a loan. And he borrows 3,000 ducats from Shylock for stipulated period of time of 3 months, failing to which he would be punished in terms of law according to the bond. Finally, in the third part of the drama, we find that Antonio and Shylock sign a bond. In the fourth part of the drama, we are introduced to the elopement scene, where Jessica's flight with Lorenzo disturbs Shylock completely. And also, we come to know about the rumors of Antonio's bankruptcy, which in the later part of the drama is proven as wrong. Thereafter comes the trial scene. In the trial scene, Portia plays a very active role to save Antonio, her husband's friend, from the clutches of the Jew. Antonio seems to be completely hopeless, seeing the stubbornness of the Jew, but later Portia, showing her judgmental power, very wisely turns the case in favor of Antonio. And finally comes the ring episode, where there is comedy and happy end of the drama. Thank you all. Hope this helps you to recall all the scenes which has happened in the past and in a chronological order to recall the events of the drama very easily. Thank you all.